Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some little small updates that I did to the guest room for the holiday season. Last cleaning video, you guys saw me clean this room and undecorate it. So this is just going to be the decorating part for the holiday season. What we're doing to the room is adding these side panels so I could add some window treatment in here. And the hubby is here shirtless, by the way. He's just going to help me put those up. Now that we have our side rods in there, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting my window treatment. This one are the same ones that I bought for my room. They're super pretty. They're just left over from my room because I closed one window. I will share that room with you soon. And they're from Home Goods and the brand is Studio 9. So we're just gonna hand them right in there. So let's go. Room was pretty much clean, but I still wanted to dust again because dust gets everywhere. So before I decorate the nightstands, I'm just cleaning them. Here I wanted to share with you where everything is from. So this trays I found at Home Goods. It's marble tray and they were $12.99. Really good price for the size. And then I got this really pretty Christmas tree from JCPenney because I collaborated with them over on Instagram. And if you don't follow me there, follow me. And they're super cute because they have batteries so they light up with like lights inside. Look how pretty they look. And then I got this base that I used it previously for my fall decor from Home Goods. This was $7.99. I'm just gonna make a floral arrangement here. And this deer is from Big Lots from last year. For the nightstand here, I'm just gonna create a little floral arrangement using these picks that I got left over from my Christmas tree. If you haven't watched that video, I will link it down below. And here it is, I'm just adding them there. I think they look super cute and they add like, some holiday cheer to the room. And then I'm adding this beautiful poinsettias that I used last year on my Christmas tree. For the other side of the nightstand, I added the JCPenney Christmas treats and I also added a candle to this side. Going into the bedding, you guys know I love my white bedding year round and I just add a pop of color through different seasons. So here I'm using this beautiful velvet comforter that I got on clearance at Target and here it is. It's looking so pretty and it's just giving me, holiday vibes with the metallic look. And then to finish the look, I'm going to start adding pillows and I'm adding this Euroshams pillows from JCPenney. Show you a close-up because look how pretty they are with little pom-poms. They're super cute. Here's some extra pillows. These ones are old. They're from TJ Maxx. I ordered them online. If I see them again, I will link them for you guys down below, but those are the ones that I'm using. Get my pillows to a minimal, and to finish the bedding, I'm just gonna add this really cute Christmas tree pillow from JCPenney. Then of course I went ahead and vacuumed, and then I'm gonna finish decorating the room. This Christmas tree from Walmart. It was $30. It doesn't come with lights. I added 2 pack of lights, also from Walmart, and for some reason it doesn't look like it had lights at the top in the video, but I don't know. So here I'm just gonna add this throw blanket as a skirt for the tree. Here's how the room looks now. I think it looks a lot more cozier now that I have the side panels with the window treatment. I'm planning to change the rock in this area, but I'm loving the simplicity and the touch of holiday into the room. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. For today's video, I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope this video gives you some inspiration. Happy Thanksgiving and have a blessed one with your family. I will see you all on the next one. God bless.